Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to back up your Mozilla Thunderbird contacts to Vcard and CSV formats. This is a great way to ensure your important contact information is safely stored and easily transferable to other email clients or devices if you ever need it. Let's jump right into the process. First things first, open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Once you've got it up and running, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons displayed in the vertical menu bar. What you're looking for here is the contact icon, which typically looks like a small address book or silhouette of a person. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up your contacts section where all your saved email addresses and contact details are stored. Now that you're in the contacts area, you'll see various contact folders listed. These folders help you organize different groups of contacts, whether that's personal contacts, work colleagues, or any other category you've created. Select the specific contact folder you want to back up. Once you've selected it, look for the three dots icon next to that folder. Click on those three dots and a small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Export. This is the key step that allows you to save your contacts in a file format that can be stored externally or imported elsewhere. After clicking Export, a dialog box will appear prompting you to save your file. Here, you'll need to input a name for your backup file. Choose something descriptive so you'll easily recognize it later, perhaps something like Thunderbird Contacts Backup or the date you're creating the backup. Next, select a location on your computer where you want to save this file. It could be your desktop, a documents folder, or even an external drive if you prefer keeping backups separate from your main system. Now comes the important part where you choose the file format. Click on the drop-down menu beside Save as Type. From the options that appear, choose comma separated. This will save your contacts in CSV format, which is widely compatible with spreadsheet programs and many other email clients. Once you've selected that, click the Save button. Your CSV backup file is now created and stored in your chosen location. But we're not done yet. To create a Vcard backup as well, you'll need to repeat the export process. Go back to your contact folder, click the three dots again, and select Export once more. Input a name for this second backup file and choose your save location just like before. This time, when you get to the File Type drop-down menu, select Vcard instead of comma separated. The Vcard format is particularly useful because it's a universal standard for electronic business cards that works seamlessly across different platforms and devices. After selecting Vcard, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully backed up your Mozilla Thunderbird contacts in both CSV and Vcard formats, giving you flexibility and security for your important contact information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.